Hello, I am Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the Web3 analytic kit tool called average token transfer value over time. We will see how you can interpret the data that are coming from the Ethereum blockchain, and we can able to see how to use those data to analyze user behavior. See, one of the main purpose of the average token transfer value over time graph is to identify how much value that has been transferred between various wallet addresses, wallet public addresses from your customers. Say you are running a marketing campaign for one of your customers for a NFT token, and you want to identify how many different types of NFT token transaction happened on a particular day, and then how much value, average value that is being transferred from your contract that you deployed on the Ethereum blockchain to various users. So that is the main purpose of this graph. Using this graph, you can analyze crucial customer behavior, and based on that information that you collect, you can able to fine tune your marketing campaign to attract more customers and ultimately making them to buy more tokens that you are selling on your platform. And another main purpose is that economic engagement insights. Say, for example, you are tracking a utility token, and you want to see how many users, those who came to your website, purchased or did some activity on the token. All those informations you can able to collect from the Ethereum blockchain based on the informations you provide, and then using the graph, you can able to analyze those informations. I'm going to show the tool so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So I have shown this tool, this web page various times. This is basically a AnalyticKit SaaS platform. After you go to the dpa.analytickit.com, enter your user ID and password. That will take you to this page. From this page, you can go to the community engagement tab. And in the community engagement, you can able to see however many different marketing campaigns you are running to analyze the community engagement. I've shown this in my previous videos, and also I'll provide the link on this video also for you to go through the basic fundamentals of community engagement, how to create a new campaign by providing all the informations and then saving it for future use. So once you create the campaign, uh, it will take 24 hours for us to go and bring the data. So we are working on getting the real-time data on every hour on an hourly basis. But for now, you need to wait 24 hours to see uh, the data that are coming, that we are getting it from the Ethereum blockchain. So let's go and see the graph that I've been talking about. So I'm going to choose the second campaign that I started 25th February, and then it's going to run. It's finished March 23rd. Today is March 25th. A couple of days back, this marketing campaign finished. Let's see the data that we brought in from this. In my previous videos, I have specified about all these graphs, so we don't have to go through on this graph, this video. For now, we can directly go to the average token transfer value over time graph. In this graph, in the x-axis, we will show the dates. So right now, as I said, we are bringing in the data every day, only once per day. So you are seeing the date range. And eventually we are planning to add a feature where we will go and get the data in real time, so that within a day, you can able to see what is the token activity on 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m., so on and so forth. You can able to adjust. And also right now, this graph is pretty static. You cannot manipulate, but we are adding features to change the date range, change the time range, all those features we are working on it. But for now, you can see on the 11th, March 11th, when the campaign started, the average token transfer value is about somewhere 0.20. See, all these are Ethereum, the ETH value that is spent, that is being transferred from your from one token. So you can see it fluctuates, and then for on the 12th it came down, and then on 13th it went up. So and then on 16th it went all the way to 0.0035, and then after that it's pretty zero. There was no activity. You can use this data to identify what is going on your Ethereum blockchain, or what is going on your customers. Maybe the marketing campaign, whatever you are doing, is not reaching the targeted audience, or you have to change your marketing campaign to attract more customers. Or if there is any issue within your the smart contract application that you deployed, you can able to pinpoint and identify based on this graph. And also you can see the correlation between this graph and all other graphs that we have. See, this graph is a total transactions over time graph. You can see pretty much on the 15th, it's pretty flat. So there was no activity at all. So you can able to correlate the data from multiple different graphs from this tool, from the community engagement tool that we are seeing right now. So based on this information, you can able to fine tune your marketing campaign to attract more users. So one of the other main purpose of this tool is to uh, tailor your marketing campaign so that you can attract more users. Say in the graph we have shown, on some days the activity is going up, on some other days there was zero activity or the activity came down. And you know what you did on each of those days. From the web to, say, you are sending a mass email campaign, or you are posting on various social media platforms a link for the customers to come back. So we have various Web2 tools to identify which campaign, from which link the customers came into your website or your mobile application, and how much time they spent on the website, and what did they do? Did they come back again? All the informations you can able to identify using our various Web2 tools. Now in the Web3 tools, using this total average transfer token transfer value over time graph, you can able to identify what exactly happened on the tokens that's been transferred between various wallets. See, that is the main purpose of this particular graph. You can assess that, and you can fine tune your marketing campaign based on the total token transfer value that happened between the wallet addresses. And then in the campaign impact analysis, as I said earlier, you will be going through multiple marketing campaigns during the marketing campaign period. And one day you will have some marketing activities, and the second day you will have a completely different marketing activities. So using the graph, you can identify which marketing activity that is gaining you more customers using your platform to send tokens among their friends and families. You can identify that information and fine tune your marketing campaign and repeat the same marketing campaign if we have to attract more customers to use your digital platform. And another thing is, say you are publishing various content, you are producing blogs, and then within the blog, you are sending a mass email newsletter to all your registered customers or other customers as well. And then you can identify which blog they are clicking. They click there from the Web2 tools, from the AnalyticKit Web2 tools. So once they are on the platform, you can identify what did they do? Did they purchase any tokens, or did they transfer any tokens from their wallet? What exactly they did? Or they just read the blog and they didn't do anything. So that information helps you to identify, to fine tune your content strategy to attract more customers and ultimately making them to purchase more of your tokens that you are selling on your website. And this also helps you to come up with a strategic planning for your future marketing campaigns. So you will be running marketing campaign for various customers. For one set of customers, you run a marketing campaign and you identify what is going on the Web 2 and also on the Web 3 and try to identify which marketing campaign produced more result for the effort that you did, for your marketing efforts you did, and identify and come up with a strategic plan for the future marketing campaigns. See, all this data that, all the strategic planning you are doing, that is based on the data that we collect from both Ethereum blockchain and from your website or your mobile application. You are not making decision based on some random assumptions. It is all based on pure science. It's a data science. We collect data and we could collate the data for you and provide a beautiful graphs for you to make informative decision based on your customer behavior, both on the website and also on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's all I want to discuss on this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. You can post it in YouTube or send us an email. We will be happy to help you. And also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and help us grow this channel. Thank you. Bye.